hope you're feeling okay. Okay, so today we are thinking about 3D shapes, okay? But before we start to think about shapes, we'll do our counting because it is maths, okay? So we're going to count all the way to 20 and all the way back to 0. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop and let's go back. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. Okay, so as I said, we're going to be thinking about 3D shapes. So we've been thinking quite a bit lately about 2D shapes. So we know what a circle is, and a square, and a rectangle, and a triangle. So now we're going to think about a 3D shape. So a 3D shape is like a 2D shape, but imagine a balloon blown up. It's a bit like that. It's as if we've blown up the shapes, okay? So I've got 3 shapes that we're going to think about today. Our first one is a cube. I've got a tiny little cube there, and I've got a bigger cube just here. So a cube is a bit like a square that's been blown up, okay? So a cube has 6 faces. So the face is the flat surface. So this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces, and they are all exactly the same size, okay? Okay, so the edges are the same size, the faces are the same size. So that is a cube. Okay, the next one is a cuboid, okay? And a cuboid is closely related to a rectangle, okay? So can you see that one that I've got there? So this also has 6 faces, okay? So let me show you on this. Here's a different cuboid, okay? So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But a cuboid doesn't have to have all the faces exactly the same. So we've got ones that are long and ones that are short in width, okay? So this one is obviously bigger. This face is bigger than that one. So that's why it's like a rectangle. So I had a look around my house and I found some different cuboids. So I've got a little block, I've got a lunch box, I've got a jigsaw box, and a tissue box. You might think that's a cube because it does look like a square, but if you look there, so it's a lot smaller, isn't it? That face is a lot smaller than that one. So it's a cuboid. So they are the cuboids. And then I have had a look around my house and I found some cylinders. Okay, so there's my block of a cylinder. This has got 3 faces. It's got 1, 2, and a big one all around the outside. 3. So I've had a look around my house and I've looked for cylinders. So I have found some beans. Okay, a tub of gravy, which my big boy has turned into a shaker. I think he's put some rice in there. That's a good cylinder to have. I've got another tin of beans. So do you see we've got a tall cylinder here and a short cylinder there. And in fact, I've got an even taller cylinder. A breadstick tub, so I'll pop them like that. We've got shortest, okay, we've got medium, and we've got tallest, a tall cylinder. So what I would like you to do today is to have a look around your house and see if you can find any 3D shapes. Now, it's going to be quite hard, I think, for you to find any cubes. I've had a look around my house, that's all I could find, a dice and a little block. So if you do, bonus points, fantastic, but don't worry about cubes if you can't find them. Okay, I'd like you to concentrate on cylinders and cuboids, okay? And I'd like you to sort them into 2 groups. So when you found them, I'd like you to put all of the cylinders together. Sorting is a really important skill. So we'll put all the cylinders together like that. Let me move my cubes out. And then I would like you to put in the other group all of your cuboids together. Put them there so that you can see. Okay, put that one on top. So when you've sorted them, I'd like you, in fact, I was going to say to get your mummy or daddy to take a picture, but even better if your mummy or daddy say yes that you can, borrow their phone or the camera and see if you can take a picture, okay? You might need your mummy or daddy to teach you how to do it, but take a picture of the items in 2 groups, okay? So cylinders and cuboids. Bonus points, as I say, if you find any cubes, or even if you find any other 3D shapes and you can learn the name of them, okay? That would be fantastic. Okay, so that's what I'd like you to do. So have fun, pop a picture on Dojo so that we know how well you're doing, and we might just give you a Dojo point. Okay, see you all later. Bye.